Hi students. Today I am going to teach you method of cross multiplication. Already we have done simultaneous linear equations by elimination method. We have eliminated x or we have eliminated y and we substituted. That is one method. Today I am going to teach you another method. What is that method means? Method of cross multiplication. You know cross multiplication. These are ax1 plus b a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is one linear equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two are linear equations. Simultaneously we are going to solve these linear equations. Simultaneous linear equations chapter we are. In the chapter only, this is the another method. There is a condition where a1 by a2. What are a1 and a2? These are the coefficients of x. And what is b1 and b2? Coefficients of y. So never a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2. Means the coefficients of x should not be equal to the coefficients of y. Why? If they are equal, it is not possible. Here 1 by 2 and this also 1 by 2. We can't solve. Both get cancelled. 0 comes. So it should not be equal. That is the condition. You have to see. Now, just write the coefficients. This is x coefficient, y coefficient, constants. And what you are writing the first, again you have to repeat in the last. That is the method of cross multiplication. Keep in mind. So take the coefficients a1x plus b1y plus c1, a1 b1 c1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a2 b2 c2, and what is the starting should be the end. It should repeat like that. That is the method here we have to follow. How to find the value of x means, don't write x coefficients other than x. Take the remaining b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1, b1 into c2 minus b2 into cross multiplication. Why this minus came means, suppose you are coming from upstairs to down. No need much energy. Without energy can come. While you are going from downstairs to upstairs, from down to up, you need a lot of strength. Your strength will be decreasing. Decreasing means minus. Are you able to follow? So that is the way you have to remember. From cross multiplying, from top to bottom minus bottom to top. Are you able to follow? Keep in mind. So b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by, here all of you see, take the same a1 b2 minus a2 b1, denominator as it is. Coming to y, don't take y coefficients other than y, c1 a2. If you come this side also, no problem. That's why we wrote again repeated. c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Now denominator as it is, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now all of you see here, numerator I am bringing to denominator. This numerator side from right side when comes to denominator. So x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Just bring this numerator comes to denominator is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Comma. Here also bring this numerator from right to left. Y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by, because we brought now nothing is there means 1 is there. 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now see, when you simplify x by what answer you got, when you simplify y by that much, same answer came. RHS are same. Can you follow? Did you observe that one? Same RHS. So when RHS are same, automatic LHS are also equal. So now I am combining at a stretch. X by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 will be equal to y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to same answer. For both same answer. 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Sir, this is all confusion, sir. What you are teaching, you can't able to follow. If you understand 50% this one, you are great. Really, you are great. So that's why I am showing you in a diagrammatic form. See this one. The diagram given below helps in remembering. Sir, you told no? Difficult to remember. That's why diagrammatic represent the above solution. Write x, y and constant. Constant means 1. When you are solving as x coefficients you won't write first. Y coefficients, constants, x coefficients. Again repeat. What you wrote the first you have to repeat. Are you able to follow? Easy method. X by B1 C2 minus B2 C1. See? Came up not? Diagrammatic form. Diagrammatic representation. Y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1. See? Same. Now is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. See? So this one enough for us to learn all this. This diagram enough. X, y constant. When we are dealing with x, we won't take x coefficients. We'll start with y coefficients, constant, then x coefficients, and repeat what is we have written first. So keep this picture, keep this diagram in your brain so that you can do this problem instead of keeping all this. This is also part how we got. This is just a simple form. Exercise 5B. Solve each of the following system of equations by using the method of cross multiplication. First problem. 2x minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. By the method of cross multiplication, we have write the coefficients. First you are writing x, next y and constant. When you are taking x by x coefficients, you will not write first. You will write y coefficients, constants, then x coefficient, and what you are writing the first you will repeat. You have to remember. So x, you won't write x coefficients. What are the y coefficients? Minus 5, minus 4. And what are constants here? Plus 8, plus 7. And now you are going to write x coefficient. What are the x coefficients? 2, 1. And repeat what you have written first, you repeat again. Minus 5, minus 4. Now, we know x by minus 5 into 7 minus of minus 4 into 8. This is the way of writing x by is equal to y by 8 into 1 minus of 7 into 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4 minus of 1 into minus 5. So this diagram, how easy to find out you see. So make a habit of practicing. X, y constant. But we won't write x coefficients first. That you have to keep in mind. Y coefficients, constants, then x coefficients, and what you have written, you have to repeat. Are you able to follow? Now, x by plus into minus, minus 5 sevens are 35. Minus into minus is plus 4 eights are 32 is equal to y by 8 ones are 8 minus 7 twos are 14. Next 1 by plus into minus, minus 2 fours are 8 and minus into minus plus 1 5 is 5. Now we are writing x by minus 3. How minus 3? Minus 35 plus 32 is, minus is more, minus will come. 35 minus 32 is 3. So minus 3. That is equal to y by 8 minus 14 is minus 6. And 1 by minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So up to here clear? Now we are going to find, because comparing first and last to find x value. With constant we are comparing. X by minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 3. We want to find x, keep x here only. The denominator goes that side, goes to numerator. Minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 goes in minus 3 one time. 1 ones are 1. So x value we got 1. How simple you see. Now coming to y value. Y by minus 6 also same answer. 1 by minus 3. So we want to find the value of y. So denominator goes that side to numerator. Minus 6 into 1 by minus 3. This minus minus get cancelled. 3 goes in 6 2 times, or minus 3 goes 2 times. Anyway you can solve. That is your will and wish. So 2 ones are 2. So what is the value of y means 2. How to check your answer means substitute. You should get 0. Are you able to follow? Both equations it should satisfy the answer. What? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Third problem. 3x minus 5y is equal to 19. 7x minus 3y is equal to 1. Solution given. In this cross multiplication method, you have to bring everything to left side. Nothing should be there in right side except 0. So 3x minus 5y plus 19 come from right to left is minus 19 is equal to 0. 7x minus 3y plus 1 comes from right to left is minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x, y constant. When you are starting with x, don't take x coefficients. You have to start with y coefficients. Y coefficients, constants, then x coefficients. Again what you wrote the first, repeat in the last. That is the way of writing this diagram. So coefficients of y, minus 5, minus 3. Constants, minus 19, minus 1. And x coefficients, 3, 7, 3, 7. And what you wrote the first, again repeat in the last. Now you know the formula. X by minus 5 into minus 1 minus of minus 3 into minus 19. How simple you see. Is equal to y by 19 minus 19 into 7 minus of minus 1 into 3. Can you follow clearly? Any doubt? Now minus 19 into 7 minus of minus 1 into 3. Next is equal to constant 1 by 3 into minus 3 minus of 7 into minus 5. So this is the heart of the problem. If you have an art of writing this one, then this is the heart of the problem. Make a habit of writing, practice. Now x by minus into minus plus 5 ones are 5. Minus into minus plus another minus into minus plus into minus minus. 3 19s are 57. Next y by minus into plus is minus. 19 sevens are 133. Minus into minus plus 1 3 is 3. That is equal to 1 by plus into minus minus 3 3s 9 plus minus into minus plus 7 5s are 35. Now simplify. X by 5 minus 57 minus 52. I need not explain for every problem. you know integers how to solve. Y by minus 133 plus 3 is minus 130 is equal to 1 by 26. 35 minus 9 is 26. Now take, we have to find x value. Take x by 52 and the constant. Denominator goes that side, numerator. So x is equal to minus 52 by 26. 26 2s are 52. Minus is there, so x is equal to minus 2. Coming to here, y is equal to, denominator goes from left to right. So numerator, 26 goes 5 times. So y is equal to, minus is here, minus 5. So therefore the values of x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 5. Fifth problem. X plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Solution given. X plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is in order. The second one is not in order. Is equal to 12 is there. I am bringing from right to left. Plus 12 becomes minus 12. 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Everything we have to bring to left side and nothing should be there. Only 0 should be there in right side. Check that one. Then only by the method of cross multiplication we have write that word. By the method of LCM. By the method of cross multiplication. By the method of cross multiplication we have, then write this diagram. Coefficients of, because x, y constant. Start with coefficients of y. 2 minus 3. 1 minus 12. Next coefficients of x. 1, 2. And what you wrote first again repeat in the last. So x by 2 into minus 12 minus of minus 3 into 1 is equal to y by 1 into 2 minus of minus 12 into 1. That is equal to constant 1 by 1 into minus 3 minus of 2 into 2. Now x by plus into minus, minus 2 12s are 24. Minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3. That is equal to y by 1 2s are 2. Minus into minus plus 12 1s are 12 is equal to 1 by plus into minus, minus 1 3s are 3 minus 2 2s are 4. Now simplify. X by minus 21. Minus 24 plus 3 is minus 21. Y by 2 plus 12 is 14. And 1 by minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Same signs we are going to add. Now we are going to find the value of x. X by minus 121 is equal, compare it with constant, 1 by minus 7. X is equal to, denominator goes to numerator. So minus 21 by minus 7. Minus minus get cancelled. 7 goes 3 times. So x is equal to 3. Coming to y by 14 is equal to 1 by minus 7. Again we are comparing with, now denominator goes to numerator. Y is equal to 14 by minus 7. 7 goes 2 times and this minus is remaining here. So y is equal to minus 2.